we're going to be unpacking something from TerraMaster, and I thought it would be a good way to showcase the 32 megapixel selfie camera of the TECNO Spark 20 Pro. This phone has been re-released this January 2024 with 12 gigs of RAM. You can get that at retail price of 9,999. It goes on sale for 8,999, which is not bad. It's a huge G99 powered phone. And you can still get the OG version, which first came out before Christmas of last year. It has 8 gigs of RAM, which is also good. And the SRP for that is 7,500 pesos, and it goes on sale for around 6,500. So, yeah, we are shooting with the selfie camera, and it defaults to 1080p 30 FPS. It doesn't have a grid or a level indicator. I hope you can, Techno, if you guys are listening, I hope you can add that in a future software update. But yeah, we have something here from TerraMaster, and this is gonna be a really quick like unpacking. We're not even gonna unbox this package yet. This came all the way from our friends at TerraMaster Shenzhen, China. So thank you, Mike, for sending this over. It was a rather quick shipment. And that's one of the things that is great if you're living in Southeast Asia. Shipping in China is quick, almost always quick, hopefully. And if there's a delay, it doesn't last a month to get your package. And shipping is not that expensive. So I had to pay around 500, sorry, 560 or 570 pesos for tax. And if you're not familiar with TerraMaster, they are one of the top manufacturers of storage devices, network attached storage, or NAS. So you have the TerraMaster logo, of course. Data Storage Master, their tagline. And recently they came out with like a new software feature that gives you redundancy protection. Um, you can check that out in detail. I don't know I don't know the model number by memory, but yeah, this is a NAS server F2-212. Okay, and we're gonna open this up. Like I said, we're not gonna be doing a full unboxing. We're gonna reserve that for another video. All right. So this is the F2 network attached storage. Okay, comes with the power cable as well as a LAN cable. Okay. What's the power rating? Outputs 12 volts, 4 amps. So, yeah. Here's your LAN cable. Okay. There are stickers as well as some screws. Stickers if you want to label your stuff. If you're in a office, need to label your stuff. Okay, let's look at the installation guide. Quick installation guide comes in multiple languages. So it's very useful. Then you have limited warranty. Oops. Limited warranty information. I've been asking TerraMaster if they have a official distributor in the Philippines. I haven't gotten like a proper response. So would you guys know who the distributors are, or if there's an official distributor for TerraMaster products in the Philippines? Let me know in the comments. But here we have our NAS. Okay, and I said we weren't gonna do a full unboxing, but yeah, kind of ended up being something like that. Mm-hmm. Ready? Boom. Okay. TerraMaster 24-hour quick service. Interesting. And you have more information at the bottom. You have two drive slots. Okay, check that out. Are we getting, are we capturing this on the 32 megapixel TECNO Spark 20 Pro? So you can have redundancy on the storage on the drive. So this is the F2-212. Let me know what you guys think about this product. All right. Do you have any questions about this product? Well, oh, okay. Um, yeah. So looking at the back, let's just go over the ports. So you have the power button right here. You have a USB 3.0 port. I'm guessing this is the blue one. Then the USB 2.0 port, which is the black one. I'm just guessing, guys. I don't have the spec sheet in front of me. You have the LAN intake as well as the DC in for your power. Okay. All right. So, any questions about TerraMaster F2? Drop them in the comments. DM us on social media. Check out our channel on YouTube for more content on the TECNO Spark 20 Pro. We also have unboxing as well as the gaming test coming up. We also posted the quick unboxing in our channel. So I'll see you guys there. Bye.